Today, we're going to talk about one of the most effective core exercises out there, the plank. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to improve your technique, this step-by-step guide will help you master the plank and enjoy all its benefits. Let's get started. Before we dive into the tutorial, it's crucial to understand the importance of proper form when planking. A correct form ensures that you're engaging the right muscles and minimizing the risk of injury. In a proper plank, your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tips on health and wellness. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Begin in a push-up position. Start on all fours with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your feet hip-width apart. Step 2. Lower your forearms to the ground. Bring your elbows down to the ground, maintaining a 90-degree angle between your forearm and upper arm. Step 3. Position your elbows under your shoulders. Ensure that your elbows are aligned with your shoulders to help distribute your weight evenly and avoid straining your shoulders. Step 4. Engage your core, glutes, and legs. Tighten your abdominal muscles, squeeze your glutes, and activate your quads to maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. Remember to breathe normally throughout the exercise. Step 5. Maintain a neutral spine. Keep your head, neck, and spine in a straight line by looking at the floor about 6 inches in front of your hands. Avoid straining your neck by looking up or down too far. Step 6. Hold the plank position. Keep your body straight and tight as you hold the plank for the desired duration. As a beginner, aim for 10 to 20 seconds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Prioritize proper form over duration. It's more important to maintain the correct body alignment than to hold the plank for an extended period of time. Focus on improving your form first, and then gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Now that you know the proper technique for planking, let's discuss some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Sagging hips. To fix this, engage your core and glutes to maintain a straight line from head to heels. Mistake 2. Raising hips too high. Lower your hips to be in line with the rest of your body, engaging your core to keep everything aligned. Mistake 3. Straining the neck. Keep your gaze on the floor, about 6 inches in front of your hands, to maintain a neutral neck position. If you're new to planking or find the standard plank too challenging, you can start with modified planks. One option is to perform the plank on your knees, which reduces the weight on your upper body. As you get stronger, you can progress to more challenging plank variations, like the side plank or the reverse plank. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to help you master the plank. Remember, consistency is key, so keep practicing and gradually increase your plank duration. Prioritize form over duration to get the most out of this incredible core exercise. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips. See you in the next video.